Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Bobby in Indiana on the Stryker SR-955. Bobby, just want to do you a quick little video of this before we send it your way. It's totally ready to go. Like we talked, tune alignment, some wideband mods, as well as the voltage regulator upgrade. Start with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. About 1 watt, just in case you decide to run an amp. And just a skosh under 20 all the way up. And while we're at it, I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 50 watts in the corner. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Roll it all the way down to 1 watt. Show you PEP there. Hello, hello, hello. Still right at 100 watts. All right, Bobby, it's headed to your way to the Hoosier State. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.